Hi everyone, Martha Warrener here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bankruptcy Basics. Today I'm going to talk to you about the free half-hour consultation that I offer to California residents. I'm a California bankruptcy attorney with over 40 years of experience, so I do know a thing or two about the whole bankruptcy process. These days, I mostly represent individuals in simple Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 cases, but that wasn't always the case. In my career, I've worked at big firms and small firms, and I've handled all kinds of cases. Now I'm what's called a sole practitioner. Today, that means I work from home and represent clients all over the state of California. The pandemic made it much easier and more common for people like me to work from home. It also enabled everyone to take advantage of the technology that allows lawyers to file documents electronically and to appear in court via Zoom or telephone. Because we can handle almost everything without leaving our home offices, that also means we don't have to charge clients the big fees that once were necessary to compensate us for hours of waiting or traveling, when things like 341A hearings were all in person at the courthouse or a nearby office. So what will happen if you take me up on my offer of a free half-hour consultation? Well, a lot depends on how much you know about the bankruptcy process before we start. At a minimum, I'm going to cover the following topics. I'll discuss the basics about Chapter 7 and Chapter 13, and which one's better for your situation. I'll give you an average timeline and all of the steps from start to finish. I'll provide you with a list of documents that you'll need to gather before an attorney can prepare your bankruptcy petition. I'll discuss the means test and where to find the median income in your state for a family of your size. I have a whole video on what the means test is if you want more information. I'll discuss how to do your credit counseling and where to find the authorized providers. I'll go over the forms that need to be filled out and filed to get your case started. I'll talk about a do-it-yourself bankruptcy if you want to try. We'll discuss some of the things you can do to avoid bankruptcy. I'll explain what a 341A hearing is. We'll talk about handling calls from creditors or threatened lawsuits. I'll go over federal and state exemptions and discuss which ones you can use to protect your assets. We'll talk about how to protect your vehicles and whether you should reaffirm your car loan. Spoiler, almost never. I'll also show you how to use Pacer and how to set up an account to file documents electronically if you want. We'll go over how to value your assets and use the proper exemptions. I'll also discuss my fees for your case if you want to retain me. Obviously, not everything in this laundry list is going to apply in every case. So you'll also have a chance to ask questions, all of them. There are a lot of misconceptions out there about what bankruptcy is, what it can and cannot do for you. A lot of people think bankruptcy is a dirty word and something to be avoided at all costs. I'll talk about why they're wrong. My goal for the consultation is for you to walk away with a good understanding of the process, which chapter fits your needs, and whether it's something that you want to do. It's a free consultation, so you're under no obligation to hire me if you do decide to file bankruptcy. And if you're still uncertain about filing for bankruptcy, you may want to consult with another attorney or two before deciding who to hire. That's fine, but obviously I hope you'll decide to hire me. I've been doing this work for a long time and I know a lot about what I'm doing. And I haven't heard any complaints from my clients. So that's it. What you can expect if you schedule a free consultation with me. What I cover in my free consultations is probably pretty similar to what other bankruptcy attorneys offer, but I can't be sure. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more financial advice and legal guidance. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only. It doesn't constitute legal advice. Every situation is unique, so please consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney in your area. If you'd like to schedule a free consultation with me, you can call me at 760-409-7705 or email me at martha@bankruptcysage.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.